So, huwag kalimutang, huwag kalimutang,
Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.
Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and today we are going to solve the Skewb Cube. The color scheme is the same as the regular 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. On top is yellow, on the bottom is white, in front of us is color blue, on the back is yellow-green or green, on the right side is red, and on the left side is orange. Okay, each side has one centerpiece with 4 corner pieces. Okay, now we will scramble it. Now we can solve it. We will start with the white side. Okay, so we have one that is already in place, so we need the white, so white and green, so we need white and green. It's right here, so we need to bring this up. Okay, white, green. Okay, it's done. Now we need white and red, so white and red. Okay, it's right here, white and red, so we need to bring this up, but the orientation is not correct, so we need to rotate this, so bring it down again, then rotate this, bring this back up. Okay, so white, red. Okay, it's done. Now we need white and blue, so white and blue, it's right here, so just bring this up, but we need to orient it properly. Okay, so bring it down, rotate this, bring this up, and also this one, bring it back up. Okay, so white, blue. Okay, so the white side is done. Now we are going to fix the center pieces. Okay, so this is correct, this is also correct. Now we need to place this blue center piece on the blue side. Okay, these 2 corner pieces that are color blue indicates that this side is for the blue side, okay, or for the blue color. So we need to place this center piece here. So to do that, down, up, it's done. Now we will place this green centerpiece on the green side. Okay, it's here, so down, up. Okay, so the center pieces are now in their proper places. Okay, so now we will fix the 4 corners. Okay, so this looks like a fang. Okay, this is another fang, so we will place these 2 fangs on the left side. Okay, and the other 2, okay, one is on the back and one is in front of us. Okay, then do this 2 times, down, up, down, up. It's done. Okay, now if all the center pieces are in their proper places, okay, so we need to fix the 4 corner pieces. Okay, but if we only have one fang here on the right side and one fang here in front of us, we need to rotate these 2 corner pieces in order to put the yellow fang here. Okay, to pair it with this other yellow fang, and this one also we need to rotate it to put the yellow fang here. Okay, so we can have a pair of fang. Okay, so to do that, okay, we can set the yellow fang here on this side, or it can be on this side like so. Okay, and the fang here can be on the back side, or it can also on the front side, so it doesn't matter. Okay, as long as we have one fang on the right side and one fang here on the left side. Okay, it's either in front of us or on the back side. Okay, then to rotate these 2, okay, to place the yellow fang to their proper places, okay, to pair it with this fang and also this one, okay, so we can have a pair and a pair here, okay. So to do that simultaneously, to rotate this, so just do this, down, down, up, up, okay, one more, down, down, up, up. Now we have a pair of fangs, okay, we also have a pair of fangs here, okay. Okay, now in order to fix this four corner pieces, okay, so we must place a pair of fang here on the left side and the other pair here on the right side, okay. We can also place it here on the right side, these two adjacent fangs, okay, on the right side. But if we do that, we need to do the down down up up 4 times. But if we place it on the left side, this pair of fang or this two adjacent fangs, okay, we if we put it on the left side, okay, we only need to do the down down up up twice, okay. So we will place it here on the left side and do the down down up up twice, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Okay, it's done. So, huwag kalimutan
Mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.